Joining us is a very special guest, Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Mr. Rahul Narvekar. Sir, welcome to Sunset TV and thank you so much for joining us. First of all, welcome to the 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference. The theme for this year, sir, 75 years of making of Indian Constitution, a very important one, and the role of Parliament and legislative bodies in fortifying the constitutional values. How do you look at that?
Well, at the outset, I think the All India Presiding Officers Conference is a exceptional platform that provides for discussion on issues such as best parliamentary practices, what are the good parliamentary processes that have been adopted by different legislative bodies. It gives a platform for presiding officers to share their vision and their experiences, which eventually benefits every state and every legislative body, which of course trickles down to the end user or perhaps every citizen.
Absolutely, sir. You've had a fantastic first stint as a Speaker of Maharashtra Assembly and now, of course, this is your second inning. Tell me about the initiatives taken in the Assembly under your guidance.
Well, with technology and with times, technology changes and that has to be adopted by every legislature for better functioning. Because if the legislature functions efficiently, then can they deliver to the people who have a lot of expectations from them. And one such measure is digitalization of all the records. So we have successfully digitalized all the records of Maharashtra legislature from 1937 till date. Other than that, we are also working towards making this assembly and council paperless. We have also increased or perhaps Maharashtra has a very good number of sittings of this state assembly and council. So the legislative sittings are increasing year after year, and we have debated record number of calling of attention motions in the last 3 years, which is unprecedented.
Absolutely. So going ahead, any specific roadmap that you have in your mind?
Well, any role, any duty that is for the betterment of the state and the country.
Point well taken. Thank you so much for talking to us. With cameraman DK Pandey, I'm Kruti Mishra reporting from Bihar.